Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WordPress AI content workflow using Zapier, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your WordPress AI content workflow using Zapier, begin by logging into your WordPress account. Next, access your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an active account. Once you're in Zapier, select the Make a Zap button to start creating a new workflow. Choose the trigger app that will initiate your workflow. For this example, you might want to select Google Docs as your trigger app. Set the specific trigger event, such as New Document in Folder, to capture new content. Connect your Google account and choose the folder containing your AI-generated documents. After configuring the trigger, test it to ensure Zapier can retrieve data from your Google Docs account. Once the trigger is set up, you will be prompted to choose an action app. Select WordPress as your action app to create a new post. Choose the Create Post Action event to publish your content onto your WordPress site. Connect your WordPress account by providing your site URL and admin credentials. Configure the post details by mapping fields from the Google Docs document to the WordPress post fields. For example, assign the document's title to the WordPress post title and the content to the post body. Review your settings to ensure everything is correctly mapped. Then, proceed to test this action to confirm that a new post can be successfully created. Once the test is successful, you can name your Zap for easy identification. Finally, turn on your Zap to activate the workflow. Your WordPress AI content workflow is now restored and operational using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.